Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurimanina Batrisyia Binti Nakifla. First, what you need to do is you click to this download links and it will direct to you its website. And click download tools now. And wait a couple of minutes and click show in folder and wait for the thing getting ready. And this is applicable notices and license terms. Read and click accept. And choose the quick installation media. And you can choose between ISO file or USB flash drive and choose the driver that you want to install. This could take a few moments to download it. It depends on your internet connection. As you can see in this, after you download the Windows 10, it will create in Windows 10 media. And wait a couple of moments and you will notice that your driver has changed its name on their own. It contains files that important to Windows 10. And now your USB flash drive is ready and you can use Windows 10 on your own freely. Firstly, you may go to any browser that you have and type VirtualBox and choose the top finding list. And this is website of VirtualBox that we choose, which Oracle VirtualBox, and click download. You can choose whether you want Windows package, Linux and others. Okay, download. And it could take a couple of minutes, depends on your internet connection. And click show in folder and wait to preparing for install. Click next, click next, and yes, then click install. Now it's finished. These two Oracle VirtualBox that has been installed on your PC.
Hello, my name is Nurlily, Alia Izzati Binti Ahmad. Hello everyone. Today I will to show to you about how to installation of operating system. First of all, open the VirtualBox. Then click the new button. Enter a name for your virtual machine. Select the correct operating system type and the version from the respective drop-down menu and click Next. For the memory size, it up to you for the adjustable. Then next, for hard disk, click create a new virtual hard disk now. Create hard disk file type. Choose VDI. Next. For storage and physical hard disk, choose dynamically allocated. Then click next. For file location, up to you and create. Your virtual machine is ready. Now go to setting, storage, SATA, remove, then click choose this, then add your ISO file. Then choose. This is your storage devices. Okay. Then click start button. Wait a minute. Then choose your language to install, time and currency format, keyboard or input method. Then click next. Install now. Wait until setup is starting. Choose I don't have a product key. Select the operating system you want to install. Then click next. For applicable notice and license term, read until down. Then tick I accept the license term. Choose custom install Windows only advanced. Click new. Adjust the size. Click OK. Wait a minute. Click the button next. Wait until the installing Windows is done. Wait until the green line ends. Wait until the window is done. Wait until the process is done. Choose your region. Add your email or phone phone or your Skype. Next, enter your password for your email address, then click next. Create pin. Choose privacy setting and accept. Skip if you don't need to tick. And your Windows 10 is ready to use. I will show to you the step for the desktop icon. I will show to you how to change the wallpaper such as your ATM picture.
Hello, my name is Arwin Syamira Binti Hilmi Syahril. First of all, we go to the Google and type driver booster. And then we click download driver booster. Keep continue downloading. After the download is complete, we click on the device driver. After that, click on scan button and wait until it is done. First, right click on this PC and then click manage. After that, go to the disk management. Right click on this part and click shrink volume. Wait until dialog box appears. This will probably take some time. Set the amount of space to shrink to a suitable amount such as 8 and click shrink. For this step, right click on this PC and choose properties. Click on the advanced system settings. After that, click on the settings on performance. Go to the advanced and click change. Tick at the custom size and set 1000 for initial size and 2000 for maximum size. And then click set, then OK. To create a user account, we need go to the setting and then choose accounts. Click at the family and other users option. Click plus button to add someone else to the PC. Just wait for it. Click at the blue font and then click next. Choose add a user without a Microsoft account. After that, fill all the information needed and then click next.
Your dreams, the night is hard there. My shadows, they follow you. My shadows, they follow you in the darkness. In the darkness. My shadows, they follow you. My shadows, they follow you.
You can see the username option appear. Click on the name and change account type.
Hi, my name is Maryam Zazali. The next step, I want to show how to create a true account. Before that, I want to download this application. After download, I'll open it. Click yes. And click go. Create and fill the blank. Like group name. Description and group member. Create new group. And click finish. Next, I want to show how to share a folder. I have created a new folder. Click property, share it, share it, and click share the folder, and with the edit permission, and apply. And proceed. To show how to run Task Manager, click menu Start. Click more detail and aplikasi performance CPU memory and disk network. And lastly, I want to show how to run device manager. Click menu Start and select device manager.
In conclusion, an operating system is a software that manages computer hardware and software resources and to provide public services for computer programs. The operating system is an important part of the system software in a computer system. Choose the right operating system is very important, so the user must carefully to choose the operating system. It will help the user to minimize the workload and increase the work efficiency. The basic for virtual machine model is the combining of instruction set to stimulate devices or machine. There are many types of virtual machine such as Windows virtual machine, Android virtual machine, Mac virtual machine, Linux virtual machine, or others. There are also advantages of it, such as we can install new different operating system in a virtual machine.